Hello, friends. Everything you're about to hear comes from the recommendations of technicians at this appliance repair shop, who have extensive experience with these types of issues. So let's get it fixed. When a customer comes in saying, "My Samsung washer started showing U6 and the drum wouldn't spin," in the shop we explain that this code usually appears due to communication problems with the motor, either from the speed sensor or a fault in the rotor. Shop technicians have seen that the machine interprets any irregular signal as a fault and automatically stops the cycle to protect the system. Some customers add, "It made noise like it was trying to spin, but nothing happened," which gives us a clear clue that the inspection should start with the motor and its sensors. On the other hand, the motor speed sensor is often one of the most common culprits. If it's damaged, dirty, or the wiring has a loose connection, the control board receives incorrect signals and triggers the U6. Shop technicians check the sensor's resistance, inspect the connections, and make sure there's no visible wear. One customer commented, "It seemed like the motor wanted to start but got stuck," which matches what we find when inspecting the sensor in the shop. Additionally, the rotor or the motor itself can have mechanical or electrical faults. Over time, the windings can get damaged or the magnets accumulate debris, causing erratic readings. Shop technicians inspect the rotor, clean the components, and if necessary, replace the motor or rotor to fully restore functionality. Some Samsung bulletins even indicate that certain models show U6 when the motor loses synchronization with the control board and certified technician intervention resolves the problem permanently. We also can't overlook the motor wiring and connectors. Over time, loose wires or corroded connectors generate erratic signals and trigger the U6. Shop technicians check every connection, clean the contacts, and ensure everything is secure. One customer told us, "I saw some wires behind the panel were a little loose," which confirms that this inspection is key before considering replacing more expensive parts.